quick addendum. If you look right here, they're rubbing. Spokes are rubbing just right there. You can hear it. So I'm going to, you can see there, that little bit. So I'm going to take the rims off, do a quick grind down, and put them back on. Noise alert. Did a bit of grinding, put them back on, and then noticed a little rubbing right down in here too. So I'm going to get rid of that boss and that one, and then the part between is kind of shiny, if you can see that. So, real quick. Noise alert. All fixed. What you're hearing, if you're hearing anything, is just the disc inside the caliper. All right, time to do the other side. I'm not gonna film it. So, thanks for watching. Easy little addendum here. Just want to follow up to make sure I'm giving you guys all the information I can. Take care.